Standard 8, Subject General Science. Lesson number 17, Man-Made Materials. In this video, we are going to learn properties, uses and effects of plastics. Properties of plastics. Plastics are resistant to corrosion. Plastics are not easily affected by air, water, heat and humidity. That's why plastic tanks can be used for storing chemicals. Plastic possesses the property of plasticity, due to which they can be molded into any shape. Plastics are light in weight. Plastics are strong and durable. It is easy to carry. Now, items of any color can be made from plastics. Plastics carry bags are easy to handle and can be used again and again. Students, we should know that articles of the plastic do not rot when they are thrown away after use. The materials that degrade naturally are called degradable materials. And the materials which do not degrade naturally are called non-degradable materials. For example, plastics, thermocol, etc. Waste plastic articles keep accumulating in the surrounding and pollute the environment. Plastics are not environment friendly. In fact, plastics can be called as an environment pollutant. Pollutant means which pollute the environment. Can you tell which measures can be taken to avoid this? Yes, we should use things made up of degradable material instead of plastics, such as cloth bags, jute bags and paper bags, etc. Now you should know about some materials and their degradation period. For example, vegetable. Now its degradation period is 1 to 2 weeks. Therefore, we can say that this is degradable. Cotton cloth, its degradation period is 1 year, and this is also a type of degradable material. Now wood, degradation period for this is 10 to 15 year, but then also this is degradable material. Now plastic, which takes thousands of years to degrade, therefore we can say that this is a non-degradable materials. As a citizen of India, we have to always remember the 4R principle, and that is reduce, reuse, recycle and recovery. Now reduce, that means to make minimum use, buying things what you need. Now reuse, that means to use things again. For example, shopping bags can be used again and again instead of throwing them away directly. Now recycle, that means to use things after processing. That is includes plastic recycling, metal recycling and paper recycling. And the last one is recovery, that means to recover resources from waste. For example, cattle dung can be used as a manure. We can also contribute in protecting the environment by using things made up of degradable material instead of plastics. See in the pictures, there are some material which are degradable and some are non-degradable materials. We have material which is degradable. For example, stainless steel has a long life and is recyclable. So we can use some substance made up of stainless steel such as container, plates, bowls, instead of container, plates, bowls made up of plastics. Can you tell me which material is used for wrapping glass or similar material during transport to prevent from breaking? Yes, thermocol. Thermocol is used for wrapping glass or similar material during transport to prevent from breaking. So students, here we have finished the topic of plastics. Thank you.